All right, well, this is my vehicle. She's a 2012 Acura TL. It is the SH all-wheel drive package. She's pretty dirty. Just been driving a lot, so I don't really feel like washing it, but we're gonna do a sound demo audio test of the, it has the ELS surround sound stuff in it. So we'll sit in her and see what she's like. Oh, it feels so good in here. It's fucking hot as piss outside. I'll fire her up. And there's that demonstration disc. We're gonna do track 22 there. Audio.
Hi, I'm Elliot Shiner.
Hi, Elliot
and
Shiner.
I'd like to introduce you to the Acura ELS surround sound system. For the past 35 years, I've had the privilege of recording and mixing music for many great artists, including the Eagles, Steely Dan, Fleetwood Mac, Beck.
All right, quit flexing. Here we go.
To wrap up this demonstration, let's build a surround sound mix, adding one channel at a time.
Volume's at 25
until we
out
arrive
of
at
40.
the complete surround sound experience.
We'll do 21 here. This is a good one
This
too.
DVD audio demo disc will allow you to hear each of the individual components that go into making a great surround sound mix. And then we'll add all the components together one by one so that you can hear the finished product. The music you're about to hear is the song Wine Light by jazz saxophonist Grover Washington Jr., which I've mixed in surround sound. As you listen to each individual channel, you may hear other sounds in addition to the primary instrument. These background sounds are picked up by the microphone and are a natural result of the recording process. Let's begin by listening to Grover's saxophone coming from the front left channel on the driver's side.
That sounds damn good.
And here's some electric piano routed to the front right channel on the passenger side.
I hope my dad will be back soon.
The 5.1 surround sound format adds a front center channel located in the instrument panel, as well as two rear channels and a dedicated subwoofer. Here is a snare cross stick and the hi-hat coming from the center channel.
Got tweeters in the doors there. Speakers down in there. Over there too. Rear
And here's a
speakers
guitar in the left rear channel.
back there. I don't know where the sub is, but it sounds fucking good. You hear the sub, it's kind of subtle.
and some percussion in the right rear channel. And here's the low bass being added by the bass guitar and bass drum, routed through the subwoofer. Though it's subtle, it greatly adds to the surround sound experience by helping you feel the music as well as hear it.
A bit of flexing. I need to put some sound deadener or something on the trunk.
To wrap up this
And then there's the thing
demonstration,
again.
let's build a surround sound mix, adding one channel at a
Let's play
time
the whole thing again.
until we arrive at the complete
The
surround
previous
sound
track
experience.
was this being built, so the bass is fucking pounds. I want to hear it again. Alright, well, I don't want to make this vid too long. It's already pretty long, but my phone's kind of getting warm too. I can feel it. I guess 4K at high bit rate isn't too good on a hot day. I don't know what I'm saying. Get out of there, you fucking wanker. Alright, well, that's it. Thanks for watching. It sounds damn good. Damn good.